My people, wait, I didn't want to go to 1981. That's not correct. We want to go to 1982. Okay, here we are, 1982. I am looking for that 7028 7049 in the catalog. They came out. Well, they were officially released. They started being produced at the end of 1982. Maybe I should go for 1983. Or is it that they? I don't know. Let's see. Let's go down to the sports models and see if we can find anything. I haven't. I haven't prepared this. I'm just flicking through. These look like a bajillion different dress watches. Yeah, just basic old dress watches. These are the kind of thing you'd find in, like, your standard basic mall, jewelry store. You'd have, in the gift section. These are the watches that you have. Kind of like a Lord Marvel kind of dial there. A little more swoopy on that font, but well, we got the tunas going. Yep, 6458. Wait, did I just accidentally find the thing that I was looking for? I just found the thing I was accidentally looking for in the last video. There it is. It wasn't on a bracelet. It was on a strap. Well, my goodness gracious me. There it is. There's the answer. It did not come on a bracelet. It was literally sold as a dive watch and a dive strap. That is some funky stuff. That's some pretty craziness. That's wild. It's just accidentally coming across that. Answer to the mystery. Now I've got to ID this flat vent. See if I can get one that looks right. Because it's a taper, it'll actually give a little bit of visual weight to the watch itself. Well, I'm just tickled. I am just tickled. That's great. 7548s. What do we got here? These weird crossover sport diver watchy things. Silver waves. Hey, there's the cockpit. I've got one of these. I'm going to be putting it up for sale. Just doesn't have the strap, but I do have a cockpit, and I am going to be selling it. Twin quartz. Quartz was the future. Quartz was everything. Come on, are you going to give me a chronograph section? Do I really have to, do all of this again? To these poor people? Maybe I'll jump to 1983. We're in ladies' watches. All ladies' watches. Ladies, 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 ladies. Hey, lady, hey, lady. Okay, I don't think we're going to see anything. What the hell was that? Huh. Isn't that a funny design? More. I'm really putting it to me here. We almost did that. More ladies' watches. Okay, well, these are sports ladies' watches. These are cool. I have had one of these. These quartz divers, they've got that beautiful K shape. Well, it's similar to that beautiful K shape, like on the first gen Alpinist, like on the 2205s, is it? I haven't seen one of those straps. Well, I have, but it's been a really, really long time. Now we're into more pocket watches. The ladies' pocket watches. Somebody's gonna put out a hit on me if I don't run across something interesting. H601s. Let's see, what is this, since 1982? Well, there's a silverware. That is probably an H357. That I'm not sure about that one. I should know, because that's an H601, but I don't think the H601s came out that early. And, well, is the 357 down here? Could this maybe be, in fact, actually an H558? Or an H557, actually? Maybe. These are cool. What does it say? H557s. Okay, I was right. I was right. All these hybrids. This was really a big time for this. This is right when the Arnie came out. I owned one of these. That was cool. That's pretty neat. Yeah, I had one of these for a long time. Long time. I sold it. I don't know where it went to. Certainly not around here anymore. Come on. Yeah, these. I've gone through so much time and effort to get one of these running, one of these robots, and they're always destroyed. They always have terrible battery acids. They're always just destroyed, or they had water intrusion, and they're really tweaky, kind of weird movement. Actually, the way that it's achieved, it's really just very strange. This you have this crown here operates this clock, obviously, but it's not a direct thing. It's like almost like a fly-by-wire. You turn this, and it'll advance a certain number of seconds by indirect drive, fly-by-wire. And then, of course, you've got this section, and you have an itty-bitty speaker right here. And the speaker has, you can actually see it right here. The speaker has, it's sort of sealed against the inside, but it's not a great job at all. And to have one of these running took me so much work. I've never seen one of those. I've owned one of those. I have pieces of that one. No, I had, didn't I have? I definitely had that one for a long time back in the old days. I have pieces of them. Oh, yeah, they were world time. I got one of those right now in gold. Ooh, the Running Man, the one that everybody really wants. Do people still talk about the Running Man? The Horseshoe. This is it was one of the collectible models back in the day. This is one of the ones that dudes were really serious about trying to get their hands on. Pan Am. Wait, or no. This is the clockwise, isn't it? A358, right. It's not the Pan Am. This is the clockwise. After the, is it? Maybe it's just a non-Pan Am. I don't remember. I have two of these in good condition. I have too many watches. I want to start selling off a lot of stuff. I do not own one of those. No, not these. You see, that's the whole world now is... The whole world now, this is a blind man's watch. You can open the top cover and feel where the hands are. Oh, there we are. These again. Is this the Freddie Mercury? I don't think we're going to get, nope, I just ran into the end. Okay, well, let me take a break and let's see if I can get the next try at it. 1983, I don't know what I'm going to find. This is 1983 Volume 1, so that's pretty cool, isn't that? Look at that. There's the orange. There is the orange Arnie. What the heck just happened? It keeps resizing because it's a PDF. But anyway, you don't see these very often, the orange Arnies. You really don't. These are some crazy funky shapes. There are the cockpits. Hey, look, there's a lady cockpit. I did not know there was a lady cockpit. This is the astronaut, but it's the non-astronaut. No, that's the non-astronaut version. The astronaut one has like a blue-silver insert. There's another lady's cockpit. There are those pulse meters again. I don't know. I think it's one of those things. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to the right place where these sports chronographs would be. I haven't seen anything like them so far. I'll keep looking. If I find something, I'll let you know. Okay, we're in 1984 now. You recognize these because we've seen all of them. There you go. Now that is a watch. And that's a watch for a few reasons. It's the first 7A that we've seen, but also it's super, super collectible. This is the yacht timer, and they are super crazy, insane collectible. we have also more astronaut styles, but definitely, finally, the 7As have appeared. I've got one of these in almost mint condition. I have one of these I'm just about to put up for sale on the website in great, like near mint condition. But that gives me, anyway, a little bit of hope that maybe we will run into our thing. Oh, look at that. It's a Doc Brown. The whole pulse meter. And this is the correct aliens one, too. I have 2 of these straps. Oh, look at that. The GROs. Look at that. Man, I completely forgot that I had a complete run of all the aliens watches. I forgot that. That's amazing. Jeez, it was so long ago, but yeah, I had all of them. Crazy, including the Burke. There it is. Look, everybody. Come on, don't freak. God damn it. Come on. Yes. Okay, I am delighted. There it is. Hey, that's not expensive. For such an amazing piece of precision engineering, that's not expensive at all. That's not bad. And this is my model. This is the one that this is the one with the block chronograph. Cool. Cool. That's great. I've owned one of those, but it was a long time ago. I've always wanted one of these. The whole head turns, I think. You see these PVD ones, and they're almost all just beaten to death. It's sad. Yep, there she is, the Ripley. There's the black Ripley. It was worn. You can see it on in the deleted first scenes of the movie. There's before the aliens was found set at the director's cut, and I think the facilities director was wearing one, I believe. There's the Bishop. I like the Bishop. They're cool watches, man. They're cool. Anything else cool down here? Yeah, more 7As. This one, they call that one the, is that the one they call the Vulcan? Supposedly worn by pilots of the Vulcan nuclear bombers. No idea if that's apocryphal or not. Those are cool. Oh, more hot Doc Brown action. Or no, this is a different model. Is that a different model? I'm not sure. Hey, look, it's the Contra. Look at that. I wasn't even looking for that. Look at that. It's the Contra. I've got one of these for sale on the website. Or I'm going to. No, it's up. These are the other like modules that you could get with it. Just an LCD readout and then a compass. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, folks, it's time for me to go. I thank you so much for being here along with me on my voyage of discovery, and I will see you on the flip side.